friends? After reading a story, words are not for hurting. Las palabras no son para lastimar. We're going to create a special activity. A very simple activity with socks, paper bags, fingers. You could create a puppet. You could communicate that through a social story to model, to encourage your child to use kind words, nice words, positive words, instead of hurting words, right? We have to model for them. Please, thank you. Giving compliments. Hi. Ooh, I really like your blouse. It has a unicorn on it, and I'm very interested in unicorns. I really like your shoes. They're very shiny. They light up. Cool, right? Kind words. Beautiful words. The more the better. And the more we model, the more our children can communicate that. With that said, we could use crayons. We could use yarn. Anything we can that we may have at home. Stickers. Most markers now. If kids ask for stickers, they give them stickers. We could use those stickers, put them in here, play some music, create something very beautiful, and model for our kids. With that said, thank you so much, and I hope you learned something today. Just by modeling, communicating, so our children learn from us how to communicate better, how to be more positive, how to say compliments to other friends. Thank you so much. Have a great day. And until then, bye-bye.